Have you heard of intermittent fasting? It's a popular eating plan that alternates between fasting and eating. Studies show it can help manage weight and prevent some diseases. But how exactly does it work, and is it safe? Intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, rather than what you eat. By eating within a specific time frame, you may reap health benefits. For example, fasting for several hours daily or having one meal a couple of days a week can be effective. Neuroscientist Mark Mattson has dedicated 25 years to studying intermittent fasting. He explains that our bodies are built to go without food for extended periods. Early humans were hunters and gatherers, often going days without food as they sought their next meal. Fast forward to today, many of us snack continuously due to technology and entertainment that keeps us awake longer. This often leads to overeating, resulting in obesity and related health issues. Research shows intermittent fasting may help counteract these problems. So, how does intermittent fasting function? Several methods exist, all revolving around defined eating and fasting times. One popular approach is the 16/8 method, where you eat for 8 hours and fast for 16. Alternatively, the 5-2 plan involves eating normally 5 days a week and consuming a single 500,600 calorie meal on the other days. The transition to intermittent fasting isn't immediately smooth. It may take 2 to 4 weeks for your body to adjust. During this period, you might feel hungry or irritable. However, many individuals notice improvements once they adapt to the new routine. While fasting, drink water or zero-calorie beverages like black coffee or tea. However, eating normally doesn't mean indulging in unhealthy foods. For best results, stick to nutritious options. Nutrition experts often recommend a Mediterranean diet, filled with leafy greens, lean proteins, and whole grains. What benefits can you expect from intermittent fasting? Research reveals numerous advantages, including longer lifespan, enhanced brain function, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Intermittent fasting has been linked to improved memory, heart health, and even endurance in physical performance. However, intermittent fasting isn't suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, pregnant, breastfeeding, have type 1 diabetes, or a history of eating disorders, it's best to consult your doctor before starting this regimen. For those who can safely practice it, intermittent fasting can be a sustainable lifestyle change. In summary, intermittent fasting offers exciting potential for better health. It can help with weight management and improve overall well-being. But always consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any new diet plan. Ready to take control of your eating habits? Start your intermittent fasting journey today.
Thanks for watching Zenvix. Subscribe for smarter health and science.